To sell on CoinSpot, start by creating an account on the platform if you do not already have one. Go to the CoinSpot website and click on the Sign Up button. Then follow the prompts to provide the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity, which typically involves uploading a form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. After your account has been verified, you can deposit the cryptocurrency you wish to sell into your CoinSpot wallet. To do this, go to the Accounts page and click on the Deposit button next to the cryptocurrency you want to sell. You will then be given a unique wallet address to send the cryptocurrency to. Once the cryptocurrency has been deposited into your CoinSpot wallet, you can place a sell order. To do this, go to the Buy and Sell page and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you want to sell and the price you want to sell it for. Or choose to sell at the current market price. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to specify a price at which you want to sell. When you are happy with the details of your sell order, click the Sell button to confirm. Your order will then be processed and the funds will be transferred into your account. You can then withdraw the funds to your bank account or use them to buy other cryptocurrencies on the platform. It is essential to note that CoinSpot charges a fee for selling cryptocurrencies, which varies depending on the type of cryptocurrency and the amount being sold. Make sure you understand the fees before placing a sell order, so you can factor them into your calculations. In addition to understanding the fees, it is also crucial to stay up to date with market trends and prices to ensure you are getting the best possible price for your cryptocurrency. You can do this by monitoring the CoinSpot market data and news feeds, or by using external sources, such as cryptocurrency news websites and social media. By following these steps and staying informed, you can successfully sell your cryptocurrencies on CoinSpot and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize security and safety when using the platform, and never hesitate to reach out to the CoinSpot support team if you have any questions or concerns.